Here's a quick tip on being able to straighten and crop an image, and I want to show you two different ways. One of them you can do in just about any version of Photoshop, and it requires the crop tool. The other version requires CS5 and later. So the first version I'll show you is the crop tool. You select the crop tool, come out to your page out here. What we can do is I want to take this water and make that go right along the horizon. So you can click and drag to create the crop. Now you'll notice in later versions of Photoshop we have this rule of thirds out here, which is kind of cool. And if you come up top, you'll see rule of thirds. You can come out here and actually put a grid or different things, and that shows you the lines and shows you what's perfectly horizontal. So I use that sometimes to be able to match something like the edge of the water here. So come off the corner of the crop area, click and drag. You'll see these little double arrows. Click and drag, and you'll try and make it pretty much parallel with the water edge there. Now, be careful. If you selected the whole area, you're going to be cropping and showing part of the canvas, kind of a white part of the canvas. So at this point, you can go out and snap the edges of this to the edges of the viewable area out there. There we go. And then what you can do is just simply hit Enter or Return, and you've got yourself a crop and straighten situation. Okay? Now, another way we can do this, let me undo, is if you, using Photoshop CS5 and later, go to the ruler tool here, which is located under the eyedropper tool. Go to the ruler tool. Ruler tool does just about the same thing. If you come out here and click and drag and make the line that you draw parallel to the edge that you want to be horizontal, there we go. Then you come up top, you'll see a button called Straighten. Just click on it and it'll do just what we did using the crop tool. So it's kind of a quicker way to do that. Anyway, a couple ways to just do quick straighten and crop.